So I think it's pretty obvious, you know I love doing my own nails. I am a DIY nail queen. One, it's super fun. I get to be creative. Every time I do my nails more and more, I get better at it. And I'm also saving a lot of money. Now, I know I've shown you so many different tutorials for designs, press-ons, how to apply Gel X, gel nail polish, also nail prep. And what have I been missing, you guys? What have I been missing? I need to go back to my roots. Literally. Nail polish, regular nail polish, but not just any nail polish. This is Ella+Mila, and today I'm partnering with them. Apologies in advance, but I feel like once you try out an Ella+Mila nail polish, but if you already have, then you already know, might want to toss out the rest of your regular nail polishes. I'm not kidding. Like, this brand really opened my eyes for like a lot of different things. So let's get into it. First off, I have to show off my mani because I have been having a lavender moment. I know I've been talking about it, but I love a good solid shade. Look how pretty this lavender shade is. In the shade Eye Candy. It is absolutely perfect. It's like an everyday light pastel lavender where it's going to match so many things. So if you're someone where you love nude or more neutral colors, this is the one for you. Ella+Mila are a 17 free brand, and usually when you get nail polishes, I personally will admit it myself, I'm just looking at the color. Like, I like that color. But when you use these nail polishes, these are 17 free of chemicals. So just imagine 17 chemicals that other brands have in their polishes, but this one doesn't. That's just already mind-blowing. They're vegan, cruelty-free, and also made in the US. Now, I will say once you browse their site, they have so many different colors. Also in this video, I'm gonna be showing you, sorry, I forgot to tell you, 2 different tutorials of nail designs. Now, obviously I have a solid right here, but I have a really cute nail polish design where you can get a chrome effect that is so in right now. Everybody is all about chrome nails. And I get it, not everybody wants to do gel polish. Sometimes you want to switch out your color, or you can't have it because it's not appropriate for work, or you can't have nails. So I have 2 tutorials. One is going to be a really cute chrome look, and then the other is going to show a flower design with a really fun topper. Like, this topper is probably the cutest just celebration like topper I've ever seen. And no, it's not glitter, because I'm sure you're probably thinking, oh, it's just probably chunky glitter. It's even better. It's legit confetti. Now, if you're someone where you have the same exact taste like me, like neutrals, baby pinks, pastels, just like very fresh like colors, perfect for spring and summer, then let me show you the shades that I have. I feel like this pastel green is so in, like pistachio shades and even clothing, all of that. This one's in the shade Pistache. How fitting. But I will show you a tutorial using this on how to make it look chrome. So you'll see it as a solid shade, and then before I like chrome it out. Pretty sure you guys have seen this, and I will be 100% honest. I personally thought it was only a children's brand. It definitely is not. So don't skip over it. I know you've probably seen this. I've seen it at Target before, and I really thought it was just like a kid's polish. No, but what's great is it is perfect for mommy and me, little manicures, pedicures. Ella+Mila basically are the names of twins from one of the co-founders. I have been going through my pastel lilac purple phase, and this one is Eye Candy again. A perfect light lilac that's just like not too purple, not too milky. You all know a good pink is where it's at, especially for summer. You know, like that perfect, just like mid-pink, perfect bubblegum pink. Not too bright, not too dark. And I feel like this shade just looks so beautiful on everybody's skin tone. Like, this is the pink I would suggest. It's a go-to. Now again, a beautiful light pink, which I'll feature in the tutorial. This one is Get to the Point. So I'm pretty sure they're basing it off of like a ballet slipper, like point ballet shoe. You can also put this as a base and then put a white tip for like a beautiful French tip. If you want a chrome effect, this polish is not just like a simple pearl. I really was amazed by this one, because usually when you see these polishes, it's just straight pearl. It doesn't give like a really cool effect. But to me, this polish topped on top of other colors gives a chrome effect, because it's such micro pearl glitter almost. And this one's in the shade Pixie Dust. Now, it may look plain inside. It may look like your typical pearl polish, but I promise you it's not. You will see the amazingness that it does on top of polishes. Now, this topper is so freaking cute, and it's not glitter, okay, because I feel like so many toppers are glitter, but this is confetti. Like, hello, this is party in a bottle. Like, look how cute. I'm going to have to go back on the site because I'm so curious if they have other confetti polishes. But this one caught my eye because it just screams like fun and summer, and I've never seen anything like this, like at all. Like I said, I feel like a lot of toppers are like cute toppers or like glitter, right? But look how fun that is. Oh my gosh. And there's so many different chunks. Like it's birthday in a bottle. Now they also have a base and top coat. Their base looks like it will come out milky, but it's completely clear once you apply it on. But what I like is that it actually fills in ridges. I have like some, you know, when you get careless and you just don't want to switch out your nails. I do have some previous damage from me being a little reckless, okay? Taking off my press-ons or gel polish. But this one fills in the ridges, so it gave me like a really smooth canvas, which I appreciate. And it actually dried down. It gives me a full base, but then dries down, because I find that I never use a base because it just keeps its tack. I haven't found like a base that I'm like, yes, this is great. They're usually just like thin and they don't dry. I don't know. That's my personal experience, which is why I never use one with regular polish. And then their top coat, this one is called In a Rush. And when it dries so fast. I legit touched my nail and I was like, yes, this is what I need. Star of the show, honestly, for me, which blew me away, is whenever you smell acetone or nail polish remover, you know how it is so strong? Well, they have a soy polish remover. It's unscented, and the big one is vitamin enriched. Now, when you take off your polish, I did get a clip and a demo of using this. Once you place your cotton with this, there's absolutely no smell. You will not smell any strong scent. And when it says unscented, it's actually unscented. I was in shock. I've never tried an unscented polish remover. This is so good because you know how strong those acetones are and nail polish removers are, and we already know. We smell it, but we're not thinking about it. And that's how I felt. Like I was not thinking about it. And now that I've used this, I will never go back. And especially with it being vitamin rich, I also suffer from really dry cuticles, and this nourished my skin around. You will see the clip, and I was amazed. I was touching it. I'm like, is this a moisturizer or is this a nail polish remover? It's literally both. And then what's really great is, say like you're on the go, or if you change your polish, or say like, you know, when your nails chip, you just want to take it off, or whatever emergencies, or going into work and you forgot to take off your polish. They also have remover wipes to go. Now, I personally haven't tried this out yet just because I've been using the bottle, but this is what it looks like, and it comes with 5 of them inside the box right here. And honestly, I will tell you right now, the quality of the polish is really good. I didn't even put a top coat the first time I tried out the polish when I first got them, and I tried pistache because I've been just obsessed with this type of shade. I did not put a top coat. I went to the gym, and usually with like other brands, I go to the gym, I'll try it out because I'm so lazy to put a top coat. I just need polish on my fingers all the time. So by the time I'm done with my workout, most of them are chipped, or like all the edges, you know, they get like that chipped edge. Nothing chipped, and this is without a top coat. Thank you to the brand for partnering with me. I'll have everything linked down below, as well as my LTK of everything. Try them out. It is not just a kid's polish. I'm telling you, it is for adults as well. But what's really great is that you can, I don't know, just feel good about using a nail polish that is 17 free. I just feel like all of us are getting so informed now about different things and chemicals and everything that is just bad for us. And just to know that a simple polish has 17 chemicals less, like when you really think about it, is mind-blowing to me. Like I'm just thinking, what am I putting on my fingers, in my hands, that is absorbing into my system? You know, you just have to think about that. All right, let's get on to the tutorial. So I've already prepped and shaped my nails, so I'm gonna go straight into the Ella+Mila base coat. Now, if you do one coat of this and no color, your nails look so healthy. Just let this dry down before you start adding the next color. Then I'm going into pistache. This is the cutest shade I've ever seen. It is pastel. It is nice and milky. If you are scared of color, but you want to add in a little pop, this is one of those shades that I don't think will scare you away. Again, when you apply this, the wide brush head is my favorite. You just need a couple strokes and you are done. Again, this is just the first layer, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So go in for a second round, and then this is going to be the final look. Now we're going to chrome this nail polish out. Now this is Pixie Dust, and this is one of the most underrated shades. I feel like if you saw the bottle, you probably just think it's a simple simple pearl, but once you place it over any color, it gives that chrome effect, which is so in right now. I'm sure you've seen those glazed donut nails everywhere, and this is definitely the effect it gives. Then I'm gonna go into the Ella+Mila top coat, and the finished look blew me away. I've already used this on the lilac polish. It is absolutely beautiful. Pixie dust is a must. I mean, look at that. Chrome effect without needing chrome powder. Pixie dust will look so good over so many different shades as these ones right here. And now I'm going to go into the soy polish remover because I had a demo how hydrated my skin looked. Usually acetone and nail polish removers completely dry out your skin, right? And they smell terrible. This one has no scent. And look at my pinky. And then I was like, let me show you a second finger because look, it looks like I put on lotion. So now for the second tutorial, we're going to go back into the base coat. And now I'm going to be using this beautiful light baby pink that is called Get to the Point. This is a beautiful base for French tip, just wearing alone. You can do a sheer coat and then put the top coat on top. But for this one, I'm going to be doing 2 coats. Again, I absolutely love this wide brush. It makes it so easy just to brush and paint your nails. Then I'm going to be taking a dotting tool and I'm going to be going into the shade Macaroon My Diet. You can pick any type of dotting tool, even a toothpick. And I'm just going to be placing some dots to make a little flower on my 4th and 3rd finger. And then I'm going to be using a really fun polish instead of just using a standard dot inside of the middle of the flower. And I'm taking 9th Street. Now you already know how I feel about this. This is like confetti and fun in a bottle. I thought it would be really cute just to add that. And then I just wanted to give you some inspo that you can always ombre out this confetti on a nail polish. Again, this will work on any color. It is so much fun. You can do the solid nail, ombre, whatever you want. And here's the finished fun look. Again, I'll link everything down below from Ella+Mila, and I'll also link everything underneath my LTK. Also, let me know if you guys end up recreating my looks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!